Someone sat across from you, and without a word, made it clear they did not think you had what it takes. You felt it in how they skipped past your idea, the way they smiled when you spoke, like you were being cute, and you said nothing. And later, alone, you replayed it, wishing you had said something, anything. Here is what nobody tells you. When someone underestimates you, they are not stating a fact. They are placing a bet, and every time you stay quiet, you let them win. These 6 responses make them lose that bet so completely, they do not just stop underestimating you. They regret that they ever did. Most people think being underestimated is just about the other person. But somewhere, you started carrying yourself like someone who could be overlooked. Not because you are, but because nobody showed you what the alternative sounds like. Someone dismisses your idea in a meeting, talks right over it, and the room moves on. Old you swallows that and burns quietly after. New you waits for the next pause and says, "I want to go back to what I said, because I do not think it landed yet." Calm voice. Zero apology. And now the entire room is watching you, not them. You did not ask for attention. You just took your space back. Someone says, "Are you sure you can handle that?" with just enough doubt to sting. Instead of proving yourself, you say, "What specifically makes you think I cannot?" Flat tone. Genuine curiosity. And watch what happens. They have to explain their doubt out loud. Doubt sounds reasonable inside someone's head, but out loud, it sounds exactly like what it is. That is when they realize they bet against the wrong person. Someone questions your ability in front of others, not directly, but with that look, that tone. You hold eye contact and say, "I am going to remember you said that." Then you say nothing else. Just those words hanging in the air. And now they are the ones replaying it later, wondering what you meant. Because nobody who underestimates you out loud expects to carry the weight of what they said. Someone keeps underestimating you. Not once, not a bad day, a pattern. You say, "I have noticed you keep counting me out, and I need you to know, I have been paying attention." No drama, just a fact, stated to their face. People only underestimate you when they think you are not watching. The moment they realize you have been watching, they stop. Someone underestimates you in front of others, expecting you to shrink or over-explain. Old you would have. New you gives them nothing. You look at them. One beat, completely neutral. Then continue what you were doing, like nothing worth your energy was said. People who need your reaction to feel powerful lose all of it when you refuse. That silence is not empty. It is full of something they were not ready for. This is the one that stays with people the longest. Someone underestimates you, and instead of arguing, you go quiet. Then you deliver. You let your work speak so clearly that their doubt becomes their embarrassment, not yours. And when they come back and say, "I did not expect that," you look at them and say, "I know you did not." That is all. Because people who cannot be underestimated do not announce it. They just keep showing up until the room adjusts. Here is what sits underneath all 6. It is not the words. It is the moment you stop waiting for people to see you before you start moving. That version of you was always there. These responses just let it walk into the room. Tell me which one you are using first. Every room you step into from today is a chance to show people exactly who they are dealing with. If this hit something real, subscribe.